Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta
Ilan
kahapon.
sa kanila ay sina Terence Calatrava, former Undersecretary of Office of the Presidential Assistant of the Visayas of the Philippines, Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City, Kong Jojo Ang of Uswag Ilonggo Party List, Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City, Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aytayde of Quezon City, Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List, Congressman Marcelino Marcy Teodoro of Marikina, Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon, Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr., Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bemnoel of Anwaray Party List, Kong Leo de Odit Tariela of Occidental Mindoro, Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon City, Quezon Province, Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City, Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan, Kong Antonieta Yudela of Zamboanga Sibugay, Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan, Kong Marivic Copilar of Quezon City.
Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat, oh. Isasama ko po ito sa...
Ilan sa kanila